Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you have a fireworks store, keep your eyes peeled because in this video today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to ask you to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, fireworks store. There it is over there. I'm now going to select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our fireworks store. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Awesome. How can our customers get in touch with us? Let's go ahead and put in our phone number over here as well as our email address and click on continue. Great. Where is our fireworks store located? I'm going to put in our street address over here as well as our postal code. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to go ahead and say we open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also open on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sundays, 7 days a week for all your fireworks supplies. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. You can click on update location or hours if you need to and make the necessary changes. And look at that, Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my fireworks store in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you, just as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images, and they're all really high quality, really visually stunning images. However, if you've got your own images of the different fireworks you stock and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't need to know coding, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this process. It's super simple. So today I'm going to be walking through each section with a little bit of a step-by-step tutorial on how to build a website for your fireworks store using Marty Sites. So let's get cracking. I'm now going to head to the top, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on update section over here and click on show email and site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. My address I've already put in my physical location, and the great thing about it is you can click on that address and be taken automatically to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. I'm now going to go ahead and save and hit to update social links. Now over here you can put in the various social media platforms your fireworks store is active on. Icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner and at the bottom of your Marty Sites website so your customers can easily follow you, get some engagement going, and see what your fireworks store is up to, any promotions, etc. you are running. I'm now going to head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really professional. However, I do have a logo, so I've just uploaded it. If you don't have a huge budget for a logo and you really want one, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. There are a few free great options on the website. My logo has now been uploaded. It's busy loading at the moment, and we can make it bigger and smaller to suit our needs. There we go. That looks great. Let's save it and let's move along. Now, with Marty Sites, we've also pre-selected the colors used throughout your website for you. However, on your signage throughout your fireworks store, on your logo, and your business cards, maybe it's a completely different color to this one and you want something to suit your branding better. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket over here and go through the various different color options available for you to use. So I'm going to scroll to the end here and just see which color works best for me. Let's check it out. Awesome. That one looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and save it and move along. Let's save that and let's move on to the next section. Over here, let's head to update image. Now, if you have your own images, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all royalty free, license free, completely free to use. It will automatically search for fireworks stores. So for some of them, just play around with the terms a little bit and just see what pops up. So I'm going to search for fireworks instead and see what pops up for that. There's some really beautiful options when I search the term fireworks. I'm quite spoiled for choice here. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one and just select it and see how well that works. Let's take a look. That looks really beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and save that one and head over to update content. Now over here you can change the title and subtitle to suit your needs. Button doesn't have to say contact our team today. Perhaps you wanted to say get directions, for example. Whoops. So let's go ahead and put that in and choose our link. We can link to another website. We can link to an action like click to call, click to email, or get directions. So let's try that one out. Directions, and you can upload a PDF file if you have one, maybe of a catalog of your different fireworks you have in stock. Look at that, looks really great. Let's move along. We're making such great progress. Over here, again, pre-written copy for you as a reference guideline. Feel free to change it. Button can link to various places. All you need to do is click on update section and make those changes. We've now made our way into the about us section over here. You can put a little bit more details of how you got into the firework industry, how long your store is running, do you offer competitive pricing and frequent promotions for customers of all budgets to access them? Do you take safety seriously and follow local laws and regulations? Go ahead and put all your details over here. This image is so beautiful. I'm actually leaving it exactly the way it is. I love it. It's so stunning. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details to the different services you offer and the different fireworks you stock. Do you offer sparklers, rockets, fountains, firecrackers, firework display packs, gender reveal items, low noise, Roman candles? Go ahead and pop all those details over here so your customers know what they can come to your fireworks store for. If you need to make any last changes to that address, those hours, all you need to do is click on update section. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website for our fireworks store. We've launched a website, gone through the different sections, made changes to the images, the colors, the contents. It was such a breeze. I didn't need to know any sort of coding whatsoever or hire a web developer professional to help me with this. It really was so simple, and it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't have to even put your credit card details in like most other online services. So click on the link below this video and sign up for the free trial and give it a go. If you have a custom domain, you can connect your domain to make your Mighty Sites website look even more professional. Just click on connect a domain and say I already have a domain. There is a step-by-step tutorial available on our blog post over at www.mightysites.com, as well as some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. If you don't have a domain yet, we're really excited to let you know you can now purchase your domain through the Mighty Sites platform. All you need to do is click on I want a new domain. Awesome. So I really hope this tutorial is helpful. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so more people can hear about the Mighty Sites platform.